Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I'll show you the solution if you are doing snipping tools on your Windows 11 and you couldn't find where your screenshot goes. So actually, if you press Windows Shift and S and then you take a screenshot from anywhere, it will be copying the picture into your clipboard, so you can paste it on any canvas or any software or anything. You can paste the text, so yeah, I mean the image. So for instance, I click Control V, and then it's immediately paste the screenshots that I did before. And then like you, I am accidentally or unintentionally copy another text or another file, so the clipboard is replaced by a new one. And then if you couldn't find the screenshot, you just open your Windows Explorer and then find pictures and then find this screenshot. As you can see, this is the screenshot I did before, and then I'm done. I've done it using the control Windows Shift as a snipping tools. Okay, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.